Everybody, I am Dr. Nasrin Sultana Lavli, Associate Professor of Physiology, Moinamoti Medical College, Kumilla. Today we will start the remaining portion of anemia and polycythemia. Can you hear me? Hello students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
In previous class, we discussed about anemia. In previous class. Today, we will finish the remaining portion of anemia and polycythemia. First, I want to recall about the definition of anemia again. This definition is very, very important for a written exam and also for Viva exam. See here, definition, anemia is a clinical condition. Never utter here that anemia is a disease. It is not a disease. It is a clinical condition. Please give your concentration here. Anemia is a clinical condition characterized by pale coloration of skin. Pale means, pale mane ki ফ্যাকাশে হয়ে যাওয়া, তাই না? Pale coloration of skin and mucous membrane as a result of quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative মানে কি? পরিমাণ কমে যাওয়া, and qualitative মানে কি? তার গুণগত মান, তাই না? পরিমাণও কমে যাবে, গুণগত মানও কমে যাবে, deficiency of hemoglobin, either hemoglobin or RBC. Hemoglobin যদি normal value থেকে decrease করে সেটাও anemia, RBC count normal value থেকে decrease করলে সেটাকে আমরা anemia বলবো. Below the normal range for an individual in respect of age and sex. You have to remember all whole definition. Don't miss any word from this definition. Please be careful here. This is the definition of anemia. Now, effects of anemia. What are the effects of anemia for written question, for MCQ question and Viva exam? Effects of anemia. First effects, tissue hypoxia may occur and necrosis may occur. That is, patient feel shortness of breath and lethargy. তাহলে কি হবে? পেশেন্ট কমপ্লেইন করবে যে আমার একটু শ্বাসকষ্টের মতো মনে হচ্ছে, লেথার্জিক মানে টায়ার্ডনেস একটা ফিলিং হবে। যারা এনিমিক তারা অলওয়েজ লুকিং টায়ার্ড ফেস থাকবে। ডিক্রিজ ভিসকোসিটি, দ্যাট ইজ decrease viscosity. Heart pressure, blood pressure may be drops. Heart races, that is palpitation may be occur and blood pressure may drop that time. Low blood osmolarity, tissue edema may occur, tiredness, already mentioned tiredness, lethargy, increased workload on heart, cardiac failure. Because if your blood volume, that is RBC count, decreases, that time, that is your blood volume decreases. So heart always pumping action of the heart increases because I need blood. It will pump more and more. That is more workload on heart, and at last cardiac failure may develop. These are the effects of anemia. See here, consequences of anemia. That is, patient feel fatigue, dizziness মানে কি? মাথা সবসময় মনে হচ্ছে যেন চক্কর দিচ্ছে, মাথা ঘোরাচ্ছে, tachycardia, that is rapid heartbeat, that is কি হচ্ছে? Rapid pulsation, tachycardia, increase heartbeat. Pallor মানে কি? ফ্যাকাশে হয়ে যাওয়া। Breathlessness, that is shortness of breath, তার শ্বাসকষ্ট মতো মনে হবে। তাহলে এগুলো হচ্ছে কি consequences of anemia. একটা anemia patient কি ফিল করবে? Symptoms of anemia. See here, in eyes, yellowing, maybe yellowing of eyes, skin, paleness, coldness, yellowing of the skin. In central nervous system, see here, fatigue in central nervous system. In figure, central nervous system, fatigue, dizziness, fainting. Fatigue, dizziness, fainting. Red color means in severe anemia. Fainting occurs in severe anemia, not in normal anemia. Blood vessel, low blood pressure, already I mentioned that in effect of anemia. In heart, palpitation, that is increased heartbeat, rapid heart rate. Chest pain, angina, heart attack during severe anemia. Spleen enlargement. In respiratory system, shortness of breath. In muscular system, weakness, fatigue, lethargic feeling. intestinal, change stool color. In anemia, stool color may change. These are the symptoms of anemia. Now see here, yellowish coloration of the skin in the eyes, yellowish coloration of the eyes. See here, yellowish coloration of the eyes. In nail, there is change occurs in the nail in anemic patient. This is called brittle nail or spoon-shaped nail. Spoon-shaped nail, just like spoon, চামচের মতন হয়ে যাবে. Spoon-shaped nail, and sometimes it may be brittle. ভঙ্গুর হয়ে যায়. Anemic পেশেন্টদের এই নখগুলি দেখা যায় একসময় ভেঙে ভেঙে যেতে পারে আর হচ্ছে স্পুন শেপেড হয়ে যায়। সি অ্যাডভাইস ফর এনিমিয়া। অ্যাডভাইস কি কি দিব? সি হিয়ার, টেক animal foods that provide protein and high doses of vitamin B12. Try to combine cereals, bread, vegetables with milk or egg. Finish meals with a fruit rich in vitamin C that increases iron absorption. Take dried fruit and nuts between meals to provide iron all day. Green vegetables every day. They are the best source of dietary folic acid. These are the foods for anemic patient. Now, this is very important written question. Investigations for anemia. First one, routine blood investigations, that is hemoglobin percentage, total RBC count, red cell indices, that is MCV, MCH, MCAC, ESR. Routine blood investigations. If you do CBC, that is complete blood count, you will find all these things in CBC, that is complete blood count. Number two, peripheral blood film examination. RBC, size, shape, pattern of staining, abnormal configuration, we will find out these things. WBC, maturity, presence of cells normally absent, that is band neutrophil, platelet morphology and count. Number three, bone marrow examination. Cellularity of bone marrow, we can see myeloid erythroid ratio, erythropoiesis. Number four, biochemical examination. What are the biochemical examinations? Serum iron, serum ferritin, total iron binding capacity, test for osmotic fragility of RBC, hemoglobin electrophoresis. These are the investigations for anemia. Now, laboratory diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia. In examination, this question may come like this. What are the laboratory diagnosis for iron deficiency anemia? As I mentioned in previous class, that which anemia is common in Bangladesh? Of course, iron deficiency anemia is common in Bangladesh. So see here, laboratory diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia. First, on blood picture. What we'll get in the blood picture? Hemoglobin variably reduced, of course, because iron deficiency anemia, hemoglobin, of course, reduced. Blood film, hypochromia. Hypochromia means color. Color fade out color. That is, chromatia means color. Hypo means decreased color. So hypochromatia means color will be decreased. Microcytosis, size will be decreased. RBC size will be decreased. Anisocytosis and poikilocytosis. When anisocytosis and poikilocytosis means anisocytosis, there is abnormalities in size, and poikilocytosis, RBC shape will be abnormal. Size and shape abnormalities, anisocytosis and poikilocytosis. Red cell count, normal or reduced. Hematocrit, reduced. Hematocrit means PCV or hematocrit reduced. MCV reduced. MCHC reduced. MCHC also reduced. Reticulocyte count, normal. Iron profile, confirm iron deficiency. That is, serum iron is reduced, serum ferritin is reduced, total iron binding capacity is increased. In bone marrow, we'll find erythroid hyperplasia. These are the lab diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia. Now, what do you mean by megaloblastic anemia? Megaloblastic, mega means increase, large size. Blast means increased size of RBC. Whenever we find increased size of RBC In this anemia, we will find RBC size, shape will increase due to deficiency of maturation factors. Which factors? Vitamin B12, folic acid, and intrinsic factor of Kessel. That is, these three things very important for maturation factors of RBC. So, see here, due to deficiency of maturation factors, that is vitamin B12, folic acid, and intrinsic factor of Kessel or intrinsic factor. It occurs due to inability of the cell to synthesize adequate quantity of DNA. But RNA formation is greater than normal. See here, RNA formation no problem, but there is problem in the synthesized DNA. While the cell division is restricted, without DNA, of course, cell division is not possible. While the cell division is restricted, excess RNA production leads to excess production of other cell constituents, including excess hemoglobin. This causes the cell to become enlarged. RNA টা যখন বেশি বেশি তৈরি হবে, কি হবে তখন আদার সেল যে কনস্টিটিউয়েন্টস গুলি এক্সেস হিমোগ্লোবিন গুলি তৈরি হবে, যার ফলে কি হবে সেলটা এনলার্জড হয়ে যাবে, কিন্তু ডিএনএ থাকবে না, যার ফলে কোনো সেল ডিভিশন ইজ নট পসিবল হিয়ার. সো দিস রেজাল্টস megaloblastic anemia. Now, pernicious anemia. Anemia due to failure of secretion of intrinsic factor by stomach because of permanent atrophy of the gastric mucous membrane, resulting reduced absorption of vitamin B12. Always remember that intrinsic factor always released from which type of cell? There are many types of gland present in the stomach. Intrinsic factor of Kessel and hydrochloric acid secreted from the stomach, because and without intrinsic factor, always remember this vitamin B12 never absorption occurs without intrinsic factor of Kessel. So this intrinsic factor from peptic cell, parietal cell, there are so many cells present in the stomach, so many gland, peptic cells or parietal cells secretes intrinsic factor of Kessel and hydrochloric acid secreted from parietal cell, and these causes this intrinsic factor of Kessel. Without intrinsic factor of Kessel, vitamin B12 absorption is never possible. So if there is failure to secrete intrinsic factor of Kessel by stomach gland, that time vitamin B12 absorption is never possible. Causes, what are the causes of pernicious anemia? Atrophy of the gastric mucosa. If gastric mucosa cell atrophy occurs, no intrinsic factor of Kessel is secretion from this gland. Gastrectomy, if any tomy means any, if gastric gland cut down during operation, by operation, gastrectomy occurs, that time there is no gland, so no intrinsic factor, and vitamin B12 absorption is hampered that time, and various intestinal lesion also develop, decrease intrinsic factor of Kessel secretion. That time pernicious anemia occur. See here, aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia means defined as pancytopenia. Pancytopenia means reduction of all three formed elements of blood. সবকিছু কমে যাবে, আরবিসি, ডাব্লিউবিসি, প্লেটলেটস সবকিছু একটা টাইম যদি কমে যায়, কেন? ডিউ টু দ্য ডিসঅর্ডার অফ দি রেড বোন মেরো, রেড বোন মেরোতে যদি বোন মেরোতে যদি কোনো প্রবলেম হয়, if there is problem or a disorder in the red bone marrow, that is hypocellularity or aplasia of the bone marrow produces aplastic anemia. That is when there is disorder in the red bone marrow, this produces anemia. This is called aplastic anemia. It is an uncommon but serious condition, very serious condition but rare condition. The clinical manifestations of marrow failure are anemia due to red cell deficiency, because here in aplastic anemia all cells will be decreased, that is red blood cell, WBC, platelets, these three cells decreases the time. So anemia due to red cell deficiency occurs, infection due to white cell deficiency occurs, because WBC gives always immunity to our body. If WBC count or cell our defensive cells, white blood cells, if WBC count decreases or WBC production decreases, that time infection will be occur in our body. As bleeding due to platelet deficiency, of course, platelet always causes blood coagulation, helps in blood coagulation. If there is no platelets, bleeding occurs. So bleeding due to platelets deficiency. Aplastic anemia means disorder present in the bone marrow. As we know that bone marrow stem cell produces all cells, RBC, WBC, platelets, all cells produced from the bone marrow stem cells, special type of cell present in the bone marrow. If there is any disorder present in the red bone marrow, of course, aplastic anemia will occur at the time. It is uncommon but serious condition. See here in aplastic anemia. In aplastic anemia, see here in figure, there is no production of red blood cell. There is no production of red blood cell. See red blood cell cross here. There is no production of white blood cell cross here. There is no production of platelets to cross here. And these are present in the bone marrow. Now, this bone disorder occurs in the which condition this bone marrow disorder occurs? See here, repeated exposure to X-ray or gamma ray. Repeated exposure to X-ray or gamma ray radiation. যদি বেশি বেশি অনেকে কথায় কথায় এক্সরে করতে চলে যায়, এই রিপিট যদি এক্সরে করি তাহলে আমরা causes bone disorder. Exposure to X-ray is very much injurious to our health. Number 2, presence of bacterial toxin. Some drugs such as quinine, benzene, radium, etc. may cause bone marrow disorder. Tuberculosis disease. Tuberculosis may also cause bone marrow disorder. Viral infection like hepatitis, HIV infection, that is human immunodeficiency virus infections. In aplastic anemia, the RBC cells are always normocytic, normochromic. Already I mentioned in our classification. In normocytic normochromic anemia, aplastic anemia is one of the example. Here, RBC size, shape will be normal. Color, RBC size, shape, everything will be normal. This is MCQ question. In aplastic anemia, RBC cells are normocytic, normochromic. That is normal size and normal color. Sickle cell anemia. This is hereditary hemoglobin defect occurs in this anemia, common in African Americans. Defect in beta chain, because hemoglobin there are two types of chain, alpha chain and beta chain. 2 alpha chain, 2 beta chain in adult hemoglobin. Here defect in beta chain. Glutamic acid is substituted by valine. Here there is mutation occurs and at the 6th position of the beta chain, that is glutamic acid is substituted by valine. Patient with sickle cell disease have a mutation in a gene on chromosome 11 that codes the beta subunit of the hemoglobin protein. This is MCQ question. In sickle cell disease, in which number of chromosome is affected here? Chromosome 11. Chromosome 11 that codes the beta subunit, that is in beta chain, number of 11 chromosomes is affected here, mutation occurs there. An individual has shortened life. Clinical feature, intense pain, খুব severe pain থাকবে, heart failure may develop, paralysis, anemia, hypoxia. See here, what is called sickle cell anemia? Because RBC size becomes sickling shape, that is like half moon. See here, the shape of the RBC like half moon. That's why it is called sickle cell anemia. And in sickle cell anemia in children, what happens if sickle cell anemia occurs in children is hemolyzed sickle cell aggregate and block the blood vessel, because this half moon light, this will not squeeze through the blood vessel, it will aggregate in the blood vessel, leading to infarction, that is stoppage of blood supply. The infarction is common in small bone. ছোট ছোট বোনগুলিতে এই ইনফেকশনগুলি কি হবে? কমন থাকবে। The infarcted small bones in hand and foot, মেইনলি দেখা যায় স্মল বোনগুলি প্রেজেন্ট থাকে হ্যান্ড এবং ফুটে, হাতে এবং পায়ে, রেজাল্ট ইন ভেরিং লেন্থ ইন দ্য ডিজিজ, হাতে পায়ের আঙ্গুলে বেশিরভাগ হবে। দিস কন্ডিশন ইজ নোন এজ হ্যান্ড অ্যান্ড ফুট সিনড্রোম। সিভিয়ার কি হবে? বোন পেইন, চেস্ট পেইন, হেমাচুরিয়া। হেমাচুরিয়া মানে কি? whenever blood passing through urine, this is called hematuria. Chest pain হবে, bone pain হবে। Pneumonia and jaundice also occurs in these children. তাহলে বাচ্চাদের যদি sickle cell anemia হয়, আমরা কোন ডিজিজটা পাবো? হ্যান্ড এন্ড ফুট সিনড্রোম পাবো, নিউমোনিয়া এবং জন্ডিস পেতে পারি আমরা। তাদের কি থাকতে পারে? সিভিয়ার বোন পেইন, চেস্ট পেইন, হেমাচুরিয়া থাকতে পারে। See here, in blood vessels, normal red blood cells can easily squeeze through the blood vessel because it is biconcave shape. But when there is sickle cell anemia, that is RBC size become half moon, it become aggregated, that is clogged blood vessels, that is aggregated in the blood vessels and interruption of the blood flow. See here, sickle cell anemia. In sickle cell anemia, all red blood cells aggregated in the blood vessels and blood flow become aggregated. Now, polycythemia. Polycythemia. Whenever RBC count decreases than the normal level, this is called anemia. But whenever RBC count increases than the normal level, this is called polycythemia. Increase hole polycythemia, RBC count যদি decrease হয়, whenever RBC count decrease than normal level, this is called anemia. Whenever RBC count increase from the normal level, this is called polycythemia. তাহলে পলিসাইথেমিয়াতে আরবিসি কাউন্ট বেড়ে যাবে, অ্যানিমিয়াতে আরবিসি কাউন্ট কমে যাবে দেন নরমাল লেভেল। সি হিয়ার, হোয়াট ইজ পলিসাইথেমিয়া? এটা আমরা ভাইভাতে খুব জিজ্ঞেস করি। আরবিসি কাউন্ট নরমাল কাউন্ট থেকে বেড়ে গেলে কি বলি, কমে গেলে কি বলি? নরমাল লেভেল থেকে যদি আরবিসি কাউন্ট কমে যায়, কমে গেলে অ্যানিমিয়া, বেড়ে গেলে হচ্ছে পলিসাইথেমিয়া। অলওয়েজ রিমেম্বার দিস। হিমোগ্লোবিন নরমাল কাউন্ট থেকে যদি কমে যায় কি বলি? anemia. তাহলে আরবিসি কাউন্ট এন্ড হিমোগ্লোবিন কাউন্ট যদি নরমাল লেভেল থেকে কমে যায় তাহলে both cases we call anemia. But RBC count যদি নরমাল লেভেল থেকে বেড়ে যায়, increases, that time we call polycythemia. So definition of polycythemia, it is a condition in which the red cell count becomes more than the normal value in respect of age and sex of the individual. তাহলে দেখো, normally RBC count in case of male, in case of female, already you knew the things. The normal level of RBC whenever increases in case of male, আমরা বলেছিলাম in case of male কত 4.5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter of blood. তাহলে more than 5.5 এর উপরে যদি চলে যায় in case of male, আমরা in that time we will tell polycythemia. তাহলে দেখো, types of polycythemia, there are two types: primary polycythemia or polycythemia vera. Polycythemia vera. Number 2, secondary polycythemia, or this is physiological variety. Primary polycythemia or polycythemia vera. It is a pathological condition in which increase in RBC count is due to primary disorder of the hematopoietic tissues, that is clonal stem cell disorder, that is bone marrow stem cell disorder. So primary polycythemia occurs really disease found in the stem cell, that is in bone marrow stem cell. Problem in the hematopoietic tissue, that is stem cell disorder. Causes are bone marrow tumor, X-ray radiation. Here RBC count as high as 11 million per cubic millimeter of blood. Normally it should be within 4.5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter of blood. If there is 11, it is increased 11 up to 11 million per cubic millimeter of blood, that time we will tell this primary polycythemia or polycythemia vera. Hematocrit or PCV, normally 45%. Normal PCV count range 45%, count 45%, normal value 45%. But when polycythemia occurs, it will be the time 80%. Blood volume become double. Normal blood volume 5 to 6 liter, but during polycythemia it may be 10 liter, 12 liter, like this. Now, secondary polycythemia, secondary to excessive stimulation of erythropoiesis by erythropoietin. Secondary means, that means source another cause. Secondary always not in the real disease. Secondary problem always occurs other problem. See here, secondary to excessive stimulation of erythropoiesis by erythropoietin, that is erythropoietin, this hormone secreted 90% from the kidney, 10% from the liver. Already I mentioned in previous classes that erythropoietin secreted 90% from kidney, 10% from liver. If there is stimulation of excessive stimulation of erythropoiesis by erythropoietin, that is another problem, another thing. Due to what? Due to maybe hypoxia, any pulmonary disease, congenital heart disease, that lead to hypoxia. Hypoxia always stimulate release of more and more erythropoietin from the kidney. This causes stimulation of erythropoiesis, and RBC count that time increases. This is secondary polycythemia. That is problem in another thing, another site. Secondarily, erythropoiesis, stimulation of erythropoiesis occurs. That's why it is called secondary polycythemia. And RBC count only up to 8 million per cubic millimeter of blood. But in case of primary polycythemia, RBC count more than 11 million per cubic millimeter of blood. But see here, secondary polycythemia, RBC count raises up to 8 million per cubic millimeter of blood. And secondary to hypoxia, that is high altitude, congenital heart disease, chronic pulmonary disease, these may lead to hypoxia, and hypoxia causes more and more release of erythropoietin from the kidney and causes stimulation of erythropoiesis, because function of erythropoietin, stimulation of erythropoiesis. Now, effect of polycythemia. Increase, of course, increased blood volume, increased blood pressure, viscosity, increased viscosity can lead to embolism, stroke, or heart failure. And complexion of the skin, ruddy complexion, that is red complexion of the skin. See here the figure of polycythemic face. See here red complexion, face become so much red. See here face become red. So thank you everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.